Fans and blowers tayo. So let's go with fans first. Okay? Paano ba natin i-measure yung fluid power? Okay? Diniscuss natin yan, or the gas power. So basic formula, okay? So power, litan ko lang aking yung kapal ng aking pen. Okay? So power is equal to gamma Q head total. Divide by, syempre, pag may efficiency ng fluid machine, which is in this case, yung fan. Okay? So, gamma QH. Anong gamma ito? Okay? What fluid? And then what head to? This is, kapag air gauge ang ginamit mo, dapat this is in air. Okay? Kapag air gauge ang ginamit, the total head should always be in air columns. Okay? If not, kukonvert mo in water. Or water din to. Okay? H2O. Ganun na, dapat iisa lang yung convention niya. So, if you will use gamma air, okay, ganun din yung sa water. Okay? Now, let us simplify this one. So, di ba power is equal to gamma ng air, Q, head total in air gauge. Okay? Ano ba yung head total? So, that is equal to, okay, head total ng air, dapat yung velocity head mo naka-air, plus, yung static head mo dapat naka-air din. Okay? Static head in air gauge. Pero, okay, pwede mo i-change yan eh. Paano mo i-change? Okay. Yung static head is equal to, okay, gamma nung static head, which is air, equal to gamma of water, tapos naka water gauge. Okay? So, this is head. Static head, water head. Okay? So, sir, dito tayo. P is equal to gamma ng air, Q of air, tapos head total on the air. Okay? But HS is divided by, okay, gamma. Diba? Pressure head yan eh. I-divide mo ng gamma. So what will happen? If dalawa yung magiging gamma mo dyan, gamma, A. Tapos, tandaan mo yung HS mo diba? HS is equal to, okay, gamma ng water, head of water, divide by gamma S. Okay? Yung gamma S mo is air. Okay? So, that is what? So, palitan natin, gamma ng water, head ng water, divide by gamma ng air. May makakancel ka dyan, which is yung air. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo na kapag water gauge din ang gagamitin nyo. Okay? So, remember that. This will be equal now to gamma of water, Q of air, okay? And then, head ng water. Dapat unified sila. Okay? Doon natin nililinaw yon. So, for question number 1, a fan is designed to deliver 800 cubic meter per hour of air with static pressure of 5 cm water column. So, naka-water column siya. Okay? On full delivery. What is the static power in watts? Okay. So, let us solve that. So, power is equal to gamma ng air. Okay? Gamma ng air. Tapos, Q, head, static ng air. Wala rin binigay yung static efficiency. Wala rin binigay na volumetric efficiency. Yung efficiency niya. Okay? Total efficiency of the fan. So, all you need to do is, palitan lang yung HS mo. Kasi naka-water gauge siya. Remember, water column or water gauge. Okay? So, dito, kung gagamitin ko air, so, air. Ano yung density ng air? Remember that the density of air is equal to 1.2 kilogram per cm squared. all standard temperature and pressures. Okay? So this is gamma ng density of air times gravity times Q times HS. The problem here is HS is not in air gauge. So, i-change mo muna ito ng i-change yung HS mo ng air gauge. So, HW, gamma ng water over gamma ng air. Okay, dito na tayo. So, pressure is equal to, power is equal to gamma of air, Q of air, HW, gamma ng water divided by gamma of air. So, makancel natin yan. Huwag natin gamitin yung air. Gamitin natin yun sa water. So, water is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Multiplied to Q. Ano yung Q natin? 800 cubic meter per hour. 800 cubic meter per hour. Tapos, multiply natin ng HW na 5 cm water gauge. So, gawin nating meter. 5 cm times 1 meter every 100 cm. So, naka-watts dapat tayo. Okay? So, cancel all same units muna. Meter cube, cm, cm. Kilonewton meter per hour, wala pa yan. So, gagawin kong seconds. You have 1 hour every 3,600 seconds. Cancel si hour. Kilonewton meter, bali kilojoule every second, that is kilowatts. Okay? So, divide natin. So, 1 kilojoule every second, okay, per 1 kilowatt. Ang kailangan ko is 1 kilowatt every 1,000 watts. Cancel all same units. Kilonewton meter is kilojoule per second. Okay, 3 seconds. Tapos kilowatt, aakit si watts. So, the power will be 9.81 times 800 times 5 divided by 100. Okay, times, okay, sa baba na lang, 3,600 divided by 1,000. So, the answer is 109 yung power. Okay? That is 109. 109 kilowatts. Sir, same din ba yan kapag air gauge ginamit ko? Let us try yung air. Okay lang ba? Let us try yung air. If air, tignan natin if meron discrepancy. So, power is yung 1.2 kilogram every meter cube. Okay, that is density. Gravity, 9.81 meter every second squared. Okay? Times Q, 800 cubic meter per hour. Times, okay, 3,600 tuloy. Times 1 hour every 3,600 seconds. And then, multiply ko ng air gauge dapat to. So, 5 cm divided by 100 para maging meters. Okay. Cancel all same units. Meter cube, hour. Okay, meter squared per second squared. Kailangan natin ng proportionality constant para maging newton siya. So, the proportionality constant there is 1 kilogram meter every newton second squared. So, cancel natin yung same unit. Second squared, meter, kilogram. So, matitira is newton meter per second. Newton meter is joule. Every second, that is watts. Okay? So, multiply natin. 1 watt every 1 joule every second. Cancel na ngayon si newton and then si meter as seconds. Okay? Joule every second. So, watts dapat. Calculate natin if parehas. 1.2 times 9.81 times 800 times 5. Divide by 3,600. Okay? Tama ba? Times 100. Okay? So, napakaliit pala pag naging ganyan yung sagot. So, saan tayo nagkamali dyan? I think wala naman pagkakamali dyan. Tama lang. Okay? Iba pala. Kailangan ginagamit mo sa water column para makuha mo yung tamang sagot. Napakaliit pala niyan. Okay? Ay, 5 cm water gauge. Okay. Naka-water column ka pala. Mag-air gauge ka pa rin. Kulang pa. So, nakalimutan ko lang. Naka-water column pala yan. Yung 5 mo, i-change mo na lang yan ng meter of water. Okay? Okay? So, meter of air. So, paano mo i-change ng meter of air? Multiply mo pa to ng HW tsaka yung density niya. So, 9.81 times HW is 5 cm. Ayun na. 9.81 divide by paano ba yun? Di ba gaganito mo pa? HS equal to HW tapos gamma water over gamma ng air. Which is mako-cancel pa rin to. Ganun pa rin talaga. So, mapapahirap ka pag hindi mo change sa water gauge. Yun yung problem. Malilito ka lalo. Okay? So, I'm showing you yung proper way of solving, which is ito. Okay? Dito, confusing na siya. Confusing already. Okay? So, don't do this. Okay? Mababa, tapos wala kang makuha ang sagot. Dadaan ka pa rin doon sa pinaka-process. Okay? So, next problem. Okay. So, let us read this one. An induced draft pan is used to extract 270,000 cubic meter of flue gas per hour from a boiler furnace. The fan is to deliver a total pressure of 250 millimeter water gauge. Determine the size of the electric motor in kilowatts if the mechanical efficiency is considered. So, nasaan yung efficiency? This is the motor. This is the fan. Okay? Ayan yung fan mo. Nasaan yung mechanical efficiency mo? Dito. Okay? So, ano yung Q? Q is 270,000 cubic meter per hour of flue gas. Yan yung gas na tinatanggal mo dyan. You call that as the capacity of the fan. Yung size, okay, tandaan nyo that is the size of the motor ng fan that driving it. Okay, capacity and size. So, motor power ang tinatanong sa'yo dyan. The motor power is equal to, okay, power ng fan or the fluid power divided by efficiency ng machine or the mechanical efficiency. So, this will become gamma Q head total divided by EM. Okay? So, ang binigay sa'yo dito is water gauge. Okay? Naka-water gauge ka dyan, sir. So, what you'll do? What you'll do is, simplify mo natin yung HS natin. Okay? So, this will become MP is equal to gamma ng air Q H total. That is, okay, palitan na natin H total. That is HS. Okay? So, gamma ng water HW. Kasi yun yung binigay dito 250. Divide by density ng air tapos EM. Cancel natin density ng air. So, this will become, okay, Yawa Q HW divide by EM. Okay. So, motor power. Hindi yan Manny Pacquiao, So, this is 9.81 kilonewton every cubic meter. That is for water. Times Q na 270,000 meter cube per hour times, papalitan natin HW na 250 mm. Gawin ko ng meter. Divide ko lang ng 1,000 meter. So, cancel all same units. Ito. Kilonewton meter is kilojoule per hour. Times ko na lang to ng 1 hour every 3,600 seconds para maging kilowatts. So, the motor power is 9.81 times 270,000 times 250 divide by 1,000 times 3,600. So, the power is, wala pa yung ating efficiency na, the efficiency is 55%. 0.55. Times 0.55. The answer is 334.432 kilowatts. That is the fan power. The motor power. Dali lang naman ng fan, parang pumps lang. Ang kinaiba lang is meron kang static efficiency tsaka static head tsaka velocity head based on the fan. Naka-air gauge. Next problem. For number 3. According here, so what is the horsepower supplied to air moving at 30 FPM? Ano FPM? That is feet per minute. Through a circular duct with a radius of 1 foot under a pressure of 6-inch water gauge. Diyan ka na magkakatalo-talo. Okay. Meron ka daw velocity of the air. That is 30 foot per minute. So, dito tayo. Q is equal to area times velocity. Okay. Kukuha mo yung Q. So, the area is pi divided by 4 d squared velocity. Tapos, yung power mo is gamma ng air Q head total. Nagbigay ba dyan? Water gauge na naman. So, you need to change itong HT, HS is equal to HW, gamma ng water, over gamma ng air. So, simplify natin. P is equal to gamma ng air times pi divided by 4, diameter ng duct is squared, velocity ng air, times yung head ng water, gamma ng water, divide by gamma of air. So, canceling natin yung gamma ng air, we will now arrive with this equation. So, pi divide by 4, d squared velocity, tapos hw gamma w, divide by 4 na nga lang. So, pasok mo lahat ng values dyan. So, power is equal to pi. The diameter is 1 foot. 1 feet squared. 1 feet squared ka na dyan. Tapos, velocity is 30 feet per minute. Tapos, head ng water, 6-inch water gauge, o di 6 divide by 12. Feet na to. Gawin natin feet. Ano yung gamma ng water kapag English? That is 62.4 pound per feet cube. 62.4 pound per feet cube. Divide by 4. Tignan natin lahat ng units dyan. Cancel natin. So, feet cube, feet, pound feet per minute. Alam ba natin yun? That I know, there are 33,000 pound feet per minute every HP. Hindi natin alam yung yung conversion factor na yun. Ha? Baka nakalimutan natin. Pag nakalimutan natin, wag na tayong mag-aral. Okay? Graduating na tayo, hindi pa rin alam. So, cancel natin same units, minute, feet, pound, pound, minute, feet. Ang matitira HP. So, paslak ang value sa calculator. You have 30 pi times 0.5 kasi 6 divided by 12 is 0.5 times 62.4. Okay? 30 pala ito. Napindot ko. Yan, 30. Okay, divide by 4 times 33,000. So, the answer is, ay, may binigay pa ba dyan? Ako nagkamali dito. So, okay, 6 over 12 is 0.5 na yun eh. 0.5. 0.5, 62.4, 30, okay, pi. Oh, radius of 1 foot nga pala. Times 2 pala to. Squared, okay? Di ako nagbabasa. Ako ang dapat di na mag-aral. Okay? So, 6 over 12, dito ako nagkamali. Hindi ako nagbabasa eh. Times 2. Okay? Times 2 squared. Bali to feet squared. Tapos times 62.4 pound per feet cube. Ayan, dito natin i-finalize yung calculation. So, feet cube. Ayan. So, cancel same units. So, pound, feet cube, okay, feet squared. Ayan. So, dito tayo magmumula. Okay. So, that is 0.5 times 2 squared. Okay. So, ganun pa rin ang value. Divide by 4. Ayaw, nagkamali dyan. 0.5 pi. Okay. May 30 foot every minute. So, 0.5. Okay. Let us check. Ayan, tama. 30. Ayan. 30. Tapos 4. Pi over 4 d squared. Tama naman. Check. Okay. Pi over 4. Okay, nandito. Yung d squared, yung v, foot per minute. Tama. So, 6 divided by 12 is 1 feet. Okay. Times 2. 0.5 times 2 squared. Okay. Times 62.4. That is okay. Radius of 1 foot. Ayun, nakita ko na. This is 1 dapat. Radius of 1 foot. Yan. 1 foot, bali. Di na ako mag 12 inches. Yan, 1 foot na agad. Yan. 1 foot. Okay, doon na lang nalilito. Under a pressure. So, radius is 1. Diameter is 2. Ayan, times 2. So, okay na? So, this is power. 0.1782 HP. Okay? Next problem. So, let us read this. An industrial fan, okay, develops operating at standard conditions of 0.1 atm, so atmospheric, 21.1 degrees Celsius, develops a power output of 0.1 megawatts at a head of 200 mm water gauge. Calculate the brake power if the fan is operated in an environment of at the same speed. Same speed. So, ibig sabihin, dadaan tayo ng affinity law for fans. Fan affinity law problem. Yan. Fan affinity laws. So, lista natin. Queen has power. 1, 2, try now. Try to find out. Okay? So, sabi dyan, same speed. So, N is constant. N1 is equal to N2. Okay? Saan tayo magmumula dito? Sa D. Eh, ang hinahanap dito, the brake power. So, the brake power, dito tayo sa part na ito. Okay? P. So, meron tayong P1 is equal to 1 ATM. Tapos, T1 is equal to 21 degrees Celsius. Tapos, power, brake power is 0.1 megawatts. And then, yung kanyang head is 200 mm water gauge. Okay. Yung P2 natin is 97 kPa. T2 is 27 degrees Celsius. Okay? Ang hinahanap is BP. Ayan. Paano natin solve ngayon yan? So, kulang pa tayo dito ng burahin ko muna to. Okay? So, 1, 2, try now. Try to find out. Tapos may density 1, hindi, 0, 1, 1, density. So, dito tayo magbabase. Okay? Bawal na to kasi this is same speed. Okay? Sa dalawa, pwede pa. So, paano kaya yun? Pwede bang ganito? Meron akong power, BP1 over BP2. O, brake power 2 equal to. Saan ba pwede dito? May diameter bang binigay? Wala. So, dito lang ako mapupunta sa... Kung walang binigay na diameter, hindi mo magagamit to. So, magagamit ko lang is yung density. So, recall mo nga, di ba ang density is pressure over RT. Okay? This is the pressure of air, temperature ng air. So, density 1 over density 2. Ano yung power? 1 lang, 1. So, 1 lang ang power dyan. Hindi mo na kailangan galawin. Equal to pressure 1 over R air T1 divide by pressure 2 R ng air temperature 2. Cancel same units. Okay? Same values R. Si R. Finalizing equal to. Okay? So this is P1 T2 over P2 T1. Baliktad. Therefore, BP1 over BP2 is equal to pressure 1, temperature 2 over pressure 2, temperature 1. Ang kailangan ko is brake power at 2. So, BP2, okay, brake horsepower 2 is equal to okay, BP1, okay, BP1 multiply to P2 T1 divide by P1 T2. O, simplify. Brake power 2 equal to, yung BP1 mo is, ano bang kailangan sagot dito? Okay? Kilowatts. Kilowatts dapat. Kilowatts natin. In kilowatts. So, 0.1 megawatts times, okay, 1,000 kilowatts every 1 megawatt times yung pressure natin. What is the pressure at 2? That is 97 kPa. 97 kPa times temperature 1. That is 21.1. So 21.1 plus 273 para maging Kelvin. Kasi dapat ang unit niyan is, ang value na naka-absolute. So, this is 1 ATM. So, 101.325 kPa. Divide by, times mole ng 27. 27 plus 273. 273 degree Kelvin. Cancelling all same units. Megawatt, megawatt, kPa, kPa, Kelvin, Kelvin. Matitira is kilowatts. So, pindutin ng value. This is 0.1 times 1,000 times 97 times 21.1 plus 273. So, 101.325 times 27 plus 273. So, the answer is, are we of the same value? So, 93.84. BP is 93.85 kilowatts. Okay? That is the power. Tingnan natin kung meron pa tayo. Okay. Another problem for fans will be affinity loss na naman. Tingnan natin. So, a fan is used to provide ventilation for a tunnel. Requires 3 kilowatts electric motor to deliver 360 cubic meter per minute at static pressure. Okay? When operated at a speed of 500 RPM, it was later found that the air to be delivered needs to be increased. Binago yung Q. Okay? If the fan size remains constant, so ibig sabihin, fan size D1 is equal to D2. Okay? Account for the pressure in meters of water. So, dito tayo. So, D1 dito. Queen has power. 1, 2. Try now. Okay? Try to find out. So, fan size is equal. Dito tayo yari. Ang kailangan ko is meron akong Q1, meron akong P1, okay? BP1, meron akong N1. Okay? So, wala akong N2. Okay? Wala akong N2 dyan. Hanapin ko muna N2. So, meron akong Q2. Okay. Hanapin ko muna si N2. So, ito muna ako. Okay? Dito ko yayari. So, Q1 over Q2 is equal to N1 over N2. Ang power is 1. Next, dito naman, sa head. Okay? Head 1 over head 2 is equal to N1 over N2. Tapos naka-squared. Okay? May power ba tayo dyan? Ang hinahanap lang naman is the pressure or the head in meters. So, dito na ako. Diretso na kagad. Hanapin ko muna si N2. N2. Therefore, N2 is equal to N1 times Q2 over Q1. Yung N1 natin is 500 RPM. Okay? 500 RPM. Yung Q2 is 420 cubic meter per minute. 420, non-unit mo na yan. Divide by 360. So, 500 times 420 divided by 360. So, this is 583.3333 okay, RPM. Kasi cancel na units dyan. Okay, this is N2. Store natin siya kay A. Kaya hanapin ko na ngayon si H2. H1 over H2 is equal to N1 over N2 squared. So, H2 is equal to H1, okay, divide by N1 over N2 squared. Ano yung H1 ko? H1 is 300 millimeters of water. Gawin ko ng meter. So, 300 divide by 1,000. Okay, meters of water. Divide by N1 is 500 RPM. So, 500 divide by 583.3333. Huwag na natin lagyan ng unit kasi makakancel lang. So, naka-squared to. So, 300 divide by 1,000. Okay, divide by 500 divide by 583.3333. Tapos naka-square yung value. So, the answer is 0.4083 meters of water. Tingnan natin kung tama yung sagot natin. So, this is correct. Water gauge to. Water gauge. Okay? Okay, ito medyo mahaba na problem. So, let's go with this one. Okay? So, a fan running at 750 RPM, okay, draws 85.2 cubic meters per minute through 30 cm diameter duct against a static pressure of 2.54 cm water gauge and discharges it through a 27.5 cm diameter duct. Ambient air is 101.325 kPa and 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. Hanapin daw yung total head of the in meters of air. Okay? In meters of air. So, ano ba yung total head? A. Total head, HT is equal to HV plus HV is equal to HS. HT is equal to HV plus HS. Hanapin ko muna si HV. Yung HV kasi, that is velocity head. Okay? This is V squared over 2G. Okay? Remember that. Saan ko mahanap si V squared? Simply, yung V is from Q is equal to AV. Okay? Velocity. So, velocity is equal to Q divided by A. Okay? Where Q or where A is pi divided by 4D squared. Diameter ng duct. Okay? So, meron kang dalawa. So, changes in velocity. So, V2 squared minus V1 squared. Okay? Ayan na yun. Hanapin muna natin si V1. Pwede namang isaksak mo dito, diretsahan. HV. Okay? Di ba alam mo na ang velocity is equal to 4Q over pi D squared. Okay? So, this will become 4Q. Okay? For V2. Dito muna tayo. 4Q over pi diameter 2 squared. Tapos naka-square to. Minus 4Q over pi diameter 1 squared squared divide by 2G. Okay? Ito naka-meters of air. Naka-meters of air yan. Okay? Remember that, naka-meters of air. So, HV is equal to 4Q, dapat meters, cubic meter per second. So, yung Q natin, change na natin. Q is 85.2 cubic meter per minute. Times ko na agad to ng 1 minute every 60 seconds. Cancel si minute, cancel minute. Q is equal to 85.2 divided by 60. That is 1.42 cubic meter every second. Okay. 1.42 cubic meter every second. Divide by pi. Yung diameter natin dapat naka-meters na. So, meron kang 30 cm tsaka 27.5. So, 27.5 divide by 100. So, 27.5 divide by 100. Okay? Meters. Tas squared. Minus 1.42 meter cube every second. Divide by pi. Okay? Squared to times 30 divide by 100 meters squared. Tapos yung labas, naka-squared din. Divided by 2 times 9.81 meter every second squared. Okay? So, ang lalabas dito is meters per second squared. Meter na lang ang lalabas. Maka-cancel na to yung nasa taas. Ito. Tapos ito. Ang lalabas dito is meters na lang. Okay? So, yung HB natin is mababa talaga yan. So, wag nyo nang gagalawin ito Yung velocity head, hindi nyo nagagalawin. Hindi nyo i-change. Yung static head lang. Kasi naka-water gauge yun. Okay? So, 4 times 1 point... Okay? Times taas. So, 4 times 1.42 divide by pi times... Okay? 0.275 squared, tapos naka-squared din yung labas, minus, okay, 4 times 1.42 pi times 0.3 squared, square natin yung labas, divide by 2 times 9.81. Wag nyong gagalawin to. Okay, as is yan. Remember, okay, so HB is 8.568 meters. Huwag nyo gagalawin to. So, dito naman tayo sa HS. HS is equal to yawa, tapos hawa, divide by sa air. Okay? So, water gauge yan. Yung naka-water gauge. 2.54 cm. So, 2.54 divide by 100 meters to. Okay? Times 9.81 kilonewton every cubic meter. Divide by, okay, yung sa air gauge. Okay? Leave nyo lang siya. So, air. Density ng air, gravity, or as is. Okay? As is lang. Ganyan mo lang. Okay? Pagsasamahin mo na ngayon, head total is equal to HV plus yung value nitong HS. So, density ng air, kasi ang gagawin mo dito, density of air, 1.2 kilogram per cubic meter times 9.81 meter every second squared. 8 times, ang haba niyan, 1 Newton second squared per kilogram meter. Pinapakita ko sa inyo yung long method nito. Times, kay kilonewton yan, times 1 kilonewton every 1,000 newtons. Okay? Newtons para maging meters. Tama. So, next, cancel natin yung same unit. Meter, second squared. Okay? Yung cubic meter. Kilogram, kilonewton, Newton. Ang natitira dito is meters. Okay? Meters of water na yan. So, 2.54 divide by 100 Gusto nyo ba yun? Ganyan kahaba? Times 9.81. So, 1.2 times 9.81. Okay? Times mo na lang ito ng 1,000. O, diba? So, this is equal to 21.1667 meters. Okay, nakuha ko na yung HS ko. So, HB 8.5628 meters plus 21.1667 meters. Naka-water gauge lahat to, ha? So, next, power niya. Nakuha ko na. Air power of the fan. So, this is gamma QH. Eh, ang gagamitin ko na dito, water. So, 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times Q, 1.42 meter cube per second times H, okay, 8.5628 plus 21.1667 meters. Okay? So, 21.1667 plus 8.5628. So, this is 29.7295 meters. Ito yung A. For air power, this is 9. Ano answer nun? Okay. So, 9.81 times 1.42 times 8.5628 plus 21.1667. So, this is 414.1378 or 79 kilowatts. Okay. That is for the fan power. Paano naman yung brake power, BP? BP is equal to power ng fan divide by EM. Okay. Divide ko na lang to ng 50%. So, 0.5. So, 828.276 kilowatts. Okay, next question. The capacity, static pressure produced of the fan power input if it is operated with a speed of 1125. Nagbigay ba dito? Okay, nagbago lang yung speed. So, meron tayong speed change. N1 is 750 RPM. Ito yung D. Tapos, N2 is equal to 1125 RPM. Affinity law. Queen has power. Okay? 1, 2, try now. Hindi siya nagbago ng size. Huwag mo na isama si D. Okay? Q1 over Q2 is equal to N1 divided by N2. Okay? Hinahanap natin is capacity, Q2. Q2 is equal to Q1. N1 divided by N2. Okay. So, Q1 is 1.42 cubic meter every second. Okay. Times N1 is 750 divided by 1125. 1.42 times 750 divided by 1125. So, 0.9467 cubic meter every seconds. That is the capacity. Next, ang hinahanap is static pressure o the H. H1 over H2 is equal to dalawa. So, N1 over N2 naka-squared. So, H2 is equal to Oh, may mali pala ako. Q2 pala yung nahanap. Kaya pala lumiit. So, I now saw yung pinagkamali ko. Okay? Kaya nagtataka ko. So, Q1 is equal to, or Q2 is equal to rather, N2 over N1. Ayan. So, this is 1.42 cubic meter every second times 1125 divided by 750. Lalaki nga. So, 1.42 times 1125 divided by 750. So, 2.13 meter cube every seconds. Next, yung H2 natin is equal to H1 divided by N1 over N2 squared. Okay. Yung H1 natin, static pressure, ito yun, 2.54 cm. Okay, 2.54. So, 2.54 water gauge cm. N1 is 750 divided by 1125. Square the value. So, 2.54, 750, 1125, okay? That's square. So, this is 5.715 cm squared. Ayan, nakuha natin yung sagot. Ay, cm squared. No. cm lang. Yan. Next is, mahaba yung problem, power input. Okay? The power input. So, BP 1 over BP2. Okay? Equal to naka 3. So, N1 over N2 cube. So, BP2 is equal to N, okay, equal to BP1 over N1 N2. Tapos naka-cube. Ayan. So, ano yung power natin dito? 828.276. 828.276 kilowatts divided by 750 over 1125 cube. So, the answer is, okay, 828.276. Okay? 750 divided by 1125 tapos naka-cube. So, the answer is 2,795.4315 kilowatts. Okay? That is very long. Okay? Ayan. So that is the answer for that following problem.